Welcome to E-Systems Colleges of Rizal. Today we will be conducting the training for the Global Grant Teachers Innovative Training. So we all know that the Rotary Club of Teresa will be donating printer, laptop, and TV. So those equipment will be used to modernize the teaching methodology.
The Rotary Club of Teresa is offering this training for our beneficiaries ng aming global grant. No? This is through the courtesy of Rotary Club of Teresa, but the grant was given by Rotary International. So Rotary International is a global organization, and this is a non-profit organization. So we asked for a grant for them, and this was granted. No? So at the end of this training, may isa-set kaming date to award the learning equipment. No? So, kailangan pag-aralan nyo. We will teach you how to use it, how to maintain it, and how to basically take care of the item that will be awarded to you.
Tunay po na napakapalad nating mga Teresanyo, lalo na po ang mga teachers dito sa Teresa District, dahil po tayo po ay nabiyayaan ng mga ganitong learning equipment na tunay na makakapag-enhance ng performance natin. Sa lahat po ng Rotarians sa Rotary Club po of Teresa, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Tunay po na isa kayong biyaya sa amin. Maraming pong salamat.
Indeed, it is our privilege and the honor to be the recipient of this kind of project. Kaya nga po, lagi po kayong welcome dito sa Sub-Office Teresa, specifically dito sa Teresa Elementary School. And with this learning equipment, this is very relevant po sa aming learning and teaching process ngayon. Our teachers and learners will be establishing a good school performance. Dahil with our partnership, let us strengthen our partnership. We could develop Teresanyo learners matatag, and we could have schools, matatag schools in our municipality. And rest assured po na this equipment will be utilized properly and will be taken care of for better school performance. In Teresa, una ka. Dahil sa Rotary Club, una ang Teresa. Una ang Teresanyo learners, una ang Teresa teachers.